Oxfordshire is a really exciting place. It's a really innovative place. There's loads going on in Oxfordshire. And I've become convinced that what we need to do with our young people is present the opportunities that Oxfordshire provides for them to them in a way that inspires them, in a way that encourages them to engage with it and to look at those opportunities on their doorstep.
Whatever we do, we have to create opportunities for young people to be inspired. We have to underpin this with meaningful experiences that motivate, that create curious learners, that develop open growth mindsets, and a belief that you actually can if you're willing to work hard, to work long, a bit of blood, sweat and tears perhaps.
These are important skills to have for later life, and someone like me is not getting them in the variety that citizenship students do. So the only way I'm able to develop these skills is by getting involved with businesses when they visit the school. This means that it's incredibly important and useful for businesses to get more involved with schools. It not only benefits us as students, but helps businesses form links to younger people that could become future employees.
I think it's quite telling in the sense that you get so many surveys that come out that say that from business people saying, students aren't ready for work and they're not in a sense ready for what we want them to do and they haven't got any sort of life skills. And I think the answer is for business people to get out there and do your bit in a sense and make sure that the schools are on the right track and make sure that you can give something to students so they can give something back in their later life when they can start work.
We're using the Education and Business Link research that Collaborative Insights completed, and part of the steering group are now seeking out examples of best practice. They're looking for case studies and they're developing O2I guides so that we can put information on our website in the near future that will help schools and businesses to connect.